You're now at the lab with Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory. My name is Sue Weil-Kazaz, and this week at the lab, the stress of cancer. Anyone who's ever gone through cancer diagnosis and treatment can attest to how excruciatingly stressful this experience can be. Words fail to describe it. New research from Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory shows how metastatic cancer can feed off this stress. The discovery comes from CSHL adjunct professor Michala Egeblad and her former postdoc, Shu-Yan He. They worked in collaboration with professors Linda Van Elst, Christopher Vakich, and David Spector. At the center of their discovery are structures called nets that are known to promote cancer spread. Here's Professor Egeblad to explain.
It's not news that NETs promotes metastasis, but it's news that stress increases metastasis. And it can do it from cancer cells that already have spread but are sitting and not really growing, or it can do it by making the new tissue more susceptible to have a cancer cell come and succeed in forming metastasis.
NET stands for Neutrophil Extracellular Trap. You can think of nets as sticky webs made up of immune cells called neutrophils. Normally, neutrophils help us fight off diseases, but Egeblad's team found in mice with cancer, the stress hormone glucocorticoid drastically alters this dynamic.
The glucocorticoid is acting on the neutrophils to make them form these nets, and that is a key factor in causing metastasis in stressed animals.
The finding could point the way toward future treatments that help stop cancer from metastasizing. But more immediately speaking, it also says something about stress's role in cancer treatment and prevention, and in human health in general. Here's Egeblad again with the final word.
The whole thing starts with the brain and the release of glucocorticoids. So if you can change the way that you sense stress, if you can make stressful event less stressful so that there's less release of these stress hormones, that's yet another approach. And that probably fits very well with some of the epidemiological studies that's shown that group therapy or social network, which helps you feel less stressed and more supported, have been shown to increase survival. And that may be potentially why.
Thank you for joining us at the lab. To find out more about Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory's latest cancer research, please visit us online at cshl.edu and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. For Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, I'm Sue Weil-Kazaz, and I'll see you next time at the lab.